In this tutorial I will show you how to fix printer sharing with the message error code 0x0000011b Windows 10 sharing printer. The error code 0x0000011b appears when you want to share a printer on Windows 10. To fix it, you can go to Regedit by typing Regedit in Windows 10 search. The error is caused by the latest update Windows 10.2021.09 Cumulative Update for Windows 10 version 21H1 for x64-based systems, KB5005565. The next step, you can go to HKEY_local_machine system, CurrentControlSet control, print. Then create a new DWORD 32 with the name RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled set value data, 0. The last stage, you can restart your computer and try to access your printer sharing again.